Hi, I'm Ying, but you can also call me Amin. Job hunting takes way too much time. You have to search on job sites, read so many job descriptions, and tailor your resume again and again. That was the really pain point for me. So I built this on top of my open source project Web3 toolbox by integrating fingerprint environment features with AI agents. Now it can help automate job search and resume tailoring, and auto apply is coming next. Next, I already opened the app. The first step, you should install Chrome fingerprint browser. I already integrated in our app. After there was a file directory to save your memory and other stuff. And next, you should generate the fingerprint. After you generate the fingerprint, also we can set the IP browser for the environmental. Next, we get into jobseek AI panel. You can create different session for different job target. Then we should bind our fingerprint environment to our session. Next, we can choose different AI providers. We support Codex and Cloud. Then there are 5% questions for you. You should answer your target job title and the location and the target salary, and also you can choose the work mode. After that, you should upload your resume, or you can chat with the AI. The AI will collect your info to build the profile for you. As you can see, the AI is freeze my resume. It will generate the resume for me. Then there will be a dashboard for you to control the search. When you get into dashboard, there will be a different website if you want to apply the job. There's Indeed and LinkedIn, and also we support you customize your own jobs website by the different URL. Now let's get to our main process. First, we want to log in into Indeed and LinkedIn. If we logged in, the environment will remember our logged session. Next time we open, it will not ask our login again. After login, the next step is building the search tool. It uses screenshots and web page source code as input to generate an automated search script. The script is reusable and self-healing. If the search fails, it records the reason, send it back to the AI, and get a new version automatically. Next, I go into the workflow editor. Here, I can choose the job platforms I want to apply on. I can also enter my key matching terms. For example, I'm looking for QA roles, and I use Playwright, so I add those keywords here. This helps boost the score for more relevant jobs and reduce the score for less relevant ones, like Selenium focused roles. There are also 3 workflow constraints. First, the minimum match score. If I set it to 16%, anything below that won't be saved. Second, the target match, which is how many qualified job descriptions I want to collect from each platform. Third, max search results, which is the maximum number of jobs the system will scan on each platform. When either of these limits is reached, the workflow stops automatically. Next, I click confirm. The workflow starts running. On the top right, I can open workflow progress to see the blocks and monitor the task in real time. You can also see the search script controlling the fingerprint browser and collecting data automatically. In the current version, the system first collects a batch of job descriptions and then the AI analyzes them one by one. If a job meets the minimum scores, it gets saved. For example, this one only got 59%. If I open the link, I can see the tech stack is mainly Selenium. So that's why the score is lower. But this one got 84%, which is clearly a better match. For matched jobs, then I can open the JD and confirm whether it actually asks for Playwright. The system can automatically generate a tailored resume, cover letter, and interview prep. All of these generated documents can be downloaded directly. So that's the core functionality of this first version of jobseek. You can get it from GitHub releases page. If you find any bugs, feel free to send me an email or open an issue on GitHub. And if you think it's helpful, I'd really appreciate a star.